everyone, it's Darla with Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today I am featuring someone in the Share Along Supporting Smaller Channels series that I started a while back. And I'm concentrating on the ones that have tutorials right now. And so today I'm featuring the lovely Trish from the Purple Yarnivore. Hi Trish. You guys really need to check her out if you haven't yet. She is such a sweetheart, and she's funny, and her videos are very enjoyable. She has a few tutorials on her channel. I picked out this one to try, and it's a very she's very well spoken in her videos. She does have this pattern for sale if you like to follow written patterns in her Etsy shop. So I'm going to link this particular tutorial down below so you can go check it out. And it was fun to make. I found it worked up quite quickly. I did make a couple changes to it. You know, sometimes we do that. We just, you know, go our own way sometimes. But one of the changes, I actually frogged. I showed it as a whip last week, and yeah, I frogged it because I liked what she did better. So what I had done was I had made a whole bunch of double crochets across the girls here. Well, I found it was too heavy, so I just I frogged it and just went with the way she had it. So you make two panels, front and back, you sew them together, and I will talk about a change I did do, but let's take a look at it right now. Oh, sorry about the noisy chair. And this is it. In the back. Now I left slits on the sides just for fun, and I'm not sure if Trish did that. Did you do that, Trish? Maybe you could comment below, let me know. But this is the stitch, and I love it. I love the way it worked up. It is so nice. And this is so comfortable, you guys. So comfortable. And let me tell you about the yarn I used. I used this fashion 2-ply fashion yarn from Hirschner's, and let's see, it is fine 2, and it's really nice to work with. It's not hard to work with, at least I didn't find it hard to work with at all. Let's see, 100% acrylic, in each ball is 56 grams, 200 yards, machine wash, dry flat. And let's see, the colorway. It says color number 0005. And color is Passion, color name is Passion PN. I'm not sure what the PN stands for. I think it does say on their website. If they still carry this, I don't know. I didn't look. I did not look. But when I ordered these, I think there were like 10 in a bag. And it was a really good deal, and like this was one of the colors. You can get this in different colors. I have browns here, and I have like blacks and grays. Yeah, so it's a fine 2, and that's what it is, fashion yarn. All right, so I used almost 3 balls. You might as well say 3 balls. And they're, what did I say, 200 yards in each one. So that's like 600 yards. And so 3 balls, might as well say 3 balls, because this is all I had left. This little tiny ball. Whoop! Oh, now it's on the floor. And I used, what did they suggest? Crochet hook, size E4. Not sure what that is. Do you guys know? Anyway, I used an H5. That's what I did because I wanted it, you know, I didn't want the stitches to be, well, I wanted them a little looser, so I used a bigger hook. I often do that. Yeah, so I'm really happy with it. I love it. Oh, and, okay, the one thing I did do differently was I made, let's see, I'll look at my notes. I made well, you make 2 panels the same size, if I remember correctly, but I did not do that. I made the back panel, and then when I made the front panel, I made it wider, and I'll tell you why in a second. So for the back panel, I chained 78 plus 3, and for the front panel, I chained 102 plus 3. Now the reason I did that is because I wanted to have this little dip here. Otherwise it would have been up, and I don't like my tops up too high. So it just has that little dip. And yeah, so that's why I did it. I just made it wider in the front. Yeah. So I really love it. Thank you so much, Trish, for this awesome pattern. So if you guys have made it, I know when I showed it as a whip, someone, I can't remember who, I'm sorry, I get a lot of comments, which is really cool. Thank you guys. So somebody was working on it when I had showed it as a whip. So yeah. Oh, all right. So make sure you go check it out. Check out Trish's channel. She is, I think she's pretty close to 1,000 subscribers. That is such a huge milestone. Oh my goodness. It is really huge because I remember when I had 1,000 subscribers, I'm like, what? What are you guys doing? Anyway, it was just so amazing. And then, oh my gosh, you guys are wonderful. Thank you so much for being here. Please check out Trish. If you want, you can tell her Darla sent you. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. And have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.